Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back with me again, Faisal Nugraha. So in this video is the part number 5 of the WordPress tutorial. And uh, for now, I will give you a tutorial how to make a post. And maybe this video is the last part of the playlist of the WordPress tutorial. And without any further ado, let's go to the video. Okay, so this is the college university. This is my site, Back9 University. And today I want to fill the student achievement menus. So I want to fill it with some achievement from the student. So first, like normally, you must log in to your WP admin mode editor mode, and then first I will make a pause because for the future, we will make uh, super much of media like story, blog, and other. And when you use page that will take many page, and you will uh, the page will not tidy up. So I will use a pause to make stories and others. So this is my first pause original from WordPress. I will trash it. Okay, after that, to add new post we can click the add new button in the right of the post. Okay, so you can add the title of the post. So I want to add achievement that is maybe get first place. Okay, then publish. Okay, now back to the post, and then I will teach you about categories. So the categories is like the category of your post. So for the example, I have a blog category, nature category, and other. But now I will make a category that is blog, and then add new category, and then add new again. I will add a category that is achievement, and then add new category, and then my category is the two category, and I will add new again that is story, so people can search our post from the category. For example, I want to search the story of the Back9 University, so I can search in the search bar to the story, and it will show the story post. Then back to the post. So in our first post, click quick edit, and then after that select the categories what do you want. Because this is the achievement, I will choose the achievement and unlist the uncategories, and then update, and we will edit the post. But before we edit the post, I will recommend you a plugins that nice for edit a post. Okay, now we go to the plugins, and that is the Elementor. So back to the post, I want to edit it. So click the edit. After that, in here, that is a button with the title edit with Elementor. You can click it. Okay. we enter the Elementor edit panel. Whew. So this is the the pause the pause page. So first I want to drag a widget that is add new section, and for your information, all of web or page or post builder is same, but is still different, but it's not too different, it's still same. Like this, we have any of this, and I recommend you two plugins, that is Elementor and Kubio. Because why? Because that is many free things, not premium. Like Colibri, you can access the advanced settings. Okay, back to this post. So I will add an image. So like in Kubio, we have to add new section. So in here, select the plus button and one one structure, and then click this section, and we can choose what we want. This is the text editor. It's like paragraph in Kubio. This Google Map. This is icons. But I will change an image, so you can click it and drag and drop to the this section, and then uh, you can add an image in here. So I want to add an image from my computer. So click the image, and in the content, uh, in image, choose image, and I will click it. Go to the upload files and select files. I want to upload this image, and when the PNG is larger than 2 megabytes, then you cannot to upload it in your site. And for the tips and tricks to stroke that is uh, compress to go. In here you can compress your file. For example, I will compress this file, open, and then I will compress this file without mm, without decrease the quality of this image, and then start. Okay, it's still processing, and then my image was decrease the storage to uh 266. So that's very small, and now we can upload the image to the our website. And when image in the our toolbar in the Chrome, for example, we can just to drag it, and okay, and then after in media library you can click select, and this is the image, and I will add a border from for this image. In for add a border in Elementor, we can click the image and to the style. Uh, in the border type, we can select the border radius. I want to 10 that's okay. Then after that, I want to add the text editor. So first add new section again, and then in here to the text editor, drag it and drop it. So I will not fill the right, because I will just show you how to make a pause. Okay, I will write the content later, but now I will random write maybe. Okay, I will random write for fill the paragraph. Okay, the paragraph was filled. And for align the text in Elementor, it's little same like Cubio. You can click the text and then go to the style, and you can uh, choose the alignment. What do you want? I will just justify like this. Okay, there is. Okay, after that, don't forget to update. So you have to make your post. And wait. I will add an animation for this post. So for add an animation in Elementor, we can for the first I will add the animation for the image. I will click. You can click the image. You can click the image, and then in the right panel, you can go to the advanced. it it different like Colibri because in here you can access the advanced setting, not like Colibri. You must to upgrade the Colibri to premium Colibri, and to upgrade is have you have to you have to get out your money. So for the maybe to the motion effect, and then in the trend entrance animation, this is for the entrance animation. You can select, and this anime in Elementor, and all of the animation is free, not like Kubio. That's only some animation that's free, but in Elementor every animation is free. But I will choose only one that is fade in up. Nope. Maybe fade in down. Okay, that's okay. And for the text, I will choose to the advanced setting, to the motion effect, and then to the motion effect, and then hundreds animation. I will just fade in left. That's okay, and then update. And because I want to add the student achievement in here, so first you must to exit the Elementor, this Elementor panel. Exit. Okay. After exit the Elementor panel, you must to get the URL of your post. So the URL is here. This is the URL of your post, and then click the URL and uh, copy the URL. Okay, I will copy it. Then back to the WordPress and back to the page. So we will use Kubio again because we will edit a page. In the student achievement page, click edit with Kubio. Okay, entering the Kubio page builder. In here, I will add a section, and I will add two image, but that is the same image, right? Okay, I will add a blank section and then select section layout, and then I will add an image in here. Image, and I will upload an image with cancel. I will choose it from media library. Select, and maybe it's that this image I will choose. Okay, okay. This is for the example image, right? So I will maybe little setting the image. where the image properties done. Okay, I will not I will remove this image, and maybe I will change this to paragraph. And for the line, it's right. And like, oh, okay, for this image I will give the border radius maybe 10. Okay, 10. It's okay. That was okay. And then I will show you tips and tricks to add hover effect in WordPress or in Kubio. So you can click the image or what things you want to hover it, and then you go to the advanced settings, and you can go to the hover. In here in here in the hover you can add mm, effect when your mouse pointer was touching the image. For it I will maybe when when mm, maybe when hover I want to choose border, I will add a shadow maybe when the mouse pointer touching the image. So I will just a solid, oh, don't border but spacing maybe, margin padding maybe 100. uh okay, wait, okay guys, I will add effect when the mouse pointer touching this image. There is show a box shadow. That's enough. Okay, I will try it like this. Okay. Okay, after add a hover image, I want when we click this image, it will take us to the our post, our first post. So you can click the image and then go to the content, and in the content you can scroll below and there is a link, and paste the link that you copy. Okay, so to the link setting, I will open the link in the same window. Okay, and then save. Wait, I forget to the entrance animation. Maybe it's only fade in up. This only fade in right. Okay, then save and go to the C page and reload the page and go to the student achievement, and our setting was in here. So you can see in here there is a shadow, box shadow, and when you click the image it will take you to the post that uh that we make.